Oh, hey folks, Joseph Kursky here, welcoming you to week 7 of Loki 3100, the art and science of map design, GeoVisualization. Glad you're here. See you in the card lab. See you when this course is through. There we are, making our maps in the cloud. Mom is so proud. Oh, sorry. Let's focus on what we're going to do in week 7. Sadly, this is the last week of our course. Oh, I can't believe it, but hopefully not the last week that you will be using location intelligence tools, data, and exploring your world. We will focus here on the future is now, where location intelligence is and where it's going. So where it is and where it's going, beginning with a discussion of examples of spatial positional accuracy, high-resolution satellite imagery, UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles or drones, LiDAR, laser mapping, real-time data, operations dashboards, big data, interior spaces, artificial intelligence, new fields and applications of location intelligence, inspiring people, and more. And hopefully, through all of this, you'll be even more excited about location intelligence than you were at the beginning of this course. But wait, there's more. For our hands-on lab, we will examine real-time data, create an animation, create a 3D scene, look at space-time cubes. Space-time cubes. Doesn't that sound great? Space-time cubes. Awesome. Examine buildings. This is truly big data. Over 125 million buildings in the United States we're going to look at. And spend a bit of time managing your map content in ArcGIS Online. The world needs good data managers, people, and so that's why we're going to spend some time managing your content in ArcGIS Online. We will end this week with a fun and interesting map and data set, interactive map on food expenditures. Food expenditures. You will also fill out an implementation plan. In other words, what are you going to do with this newfound knowledge, skill set, and perspectives that you've gained from this course? What are you going to do with what you've learned? You will then, as usual, take a short quiz, and that's a wrap. Now, for week 7, as well as for the course. But I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank you for being in this course, for your hard work, your participation, your dedication. Map on. Get out there and make the world a better place. Thanks.